Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials we are going to learn about how to set up TikTok shop and all the relevant things about setting up TikTok shop. So if you have started your online business with Shopify or you have started dropshipping, now you wanted to get quick sales, rapid customers or a lot of sales in a quick way, then you must have to start using TikTok shop picture. So here we are going to learn a lot of information about that is very helpful for initial or beginning stage. So let's get started. So first I'm going to search in Google TikTok shop. Okay, and here is the TikTok shop official website. Welcome to you in TikTok shop. So first you have to know that is TikTok shop available all over the world. Basically TikTok shop is not available all over the world. Now you have the question, so what are the eligible country for TikTok seller account or TikTok shop? Okay, TikTok seller center is available in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States and Vietnam. But it can be increased or updated anytime. What I need to start it to create a TikTok seller account? You need business name, product details, bank information, passport and address. And what type of document you need to create a TikTok shop? You need a passport or driving license, email account, phone number and some basic information relevant to your business. So I hope you understand the basic requirement to start your TikTok shop or set up your TikTok shop. Also you already know about that is your country eligible for create TikTok shop account. So I hope you understand everything, and this information will be very helpful if you just a beginner with dropshipping with Shopify and you wanted to sell very rapidly using best marketing tools or platforms. So TikTok is booming right now. You must focus on TikTok in this years, and this is the great time to start business with TikTok shop and start using the TikTok shop for your business. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And in the next tutorials we are going to learn how to set up, and also we learn a lot of things step by step, how to listing product, how to optimize product, how to connect with Shopify, and how to make it rankable at keyword, at hashtag, everything relevant TikTok shop. So stay connected, stay focused with my YouTube channel. Just click on the subscribe button and click on the like button. And if you need any service relevant Shopify, WordPress SEO or social media marketing like TikTok, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.